We do sandblast the steel first, then we put down your primer. We let that dry to a point where it is dry to the touch but not cured, and then been applying this. And then I did the approach, and worked out really nice. Looks good. I always tell my customers, don't slip and fall, because you'll skin up your knees. But yeah, thanks for reaching out.